What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and welcome back to Elos. So you guys know I probably... I usually do thrift with me's where I bring you to the physical store, but today I'm doing a thrift haul, and it's try on, obviously. Jeremy! Can you be quiet, please? Now, you guys know that I love thrifting, evidently from my 20 million thrifting videos, but you guys probably also know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I don't really leave my room that often because, how do I put this nicely? I'm lazy. Going to a physical store and shopping and looking through the clothes can be energy consuming sometimes. So what if I told you there was a way to go thrifting but not have to get out of your bed? Get out of your bed. Get out of your bed. Well, with the magic of the internet, I sound like an 80-year-old woman who just discovered the internet. What I'm trying to say is I discovered Thredup, which is the world's largest online thrift store. Online! And it features some of your favorite brands up to 90% off. Who else loves saving money? Hands up, ladies, am I right? Ooh. And Thredup is where I got all my clothes from in this haul. So thank you so much to Thredup for sponsoring this video. If you want to get 30% off, why can't I talk? If you want to get 30% off your first order on Thredup, be sure to click the link down below and use the code JENDIY, and you'll be balling on a budget with some cute thrift store clothes and being environmentally conscious and not adding to the pollution problem. Yay! Alright, let's get started with the haul. Gotta burp. So this is the box that all your clothes are gonna come in. It's super cute with all the polka dots, and even the tissue paper has the same polka dots. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some rompers because currently my closet is severely lacking rompers. I prefer rompers over dresses just because, like, you can open your legs and you will not be showing the world your oyster. So the first thing that I got was this romper. It's an animal print romper, and how many times can I shove the word romper into my sentence? I've been kind of hesitant in the past to throw some animal print into my wardrobe just because it's kind of not what I'm used to wearing. I don't really wear that many patterns, but I do know that animal print is coming back in, so I wanted to try it out. I'm gonna be traveling a lot in August. I'm going to China and Hawaii and LA, and the temperatures there are just insane. In China, it's like 40 degrees Celsius, which someone convert that to Fahrenheit below because it's just crazy. So I feel like this type of fabric will be okay because it's like super light. So this is from the brand Lipsy, which is a brand sold on ASOS, and the estimated retail price is $71. I got it for $15, so moving on to the next item, it's also another romper. And the cool thing about Thredup is you can filter for whatever item you're looking for. I typed in romper and all the rompers showed up, but you can also filter for pattern, color. You can put in your size and it automatically applies to every search that you type in, which is awesome. If you thrift at physical thrift stores, you probably can relate to this. Sometimes stores organize clothes like by color, and it gets kind of confusing and really overwhelming sorting through the clothes because they all feel like the same shirt. So then you kind of give up because it's like too much work to look through. But on Thredup, you can filter your searches so that it's not as overwhelming. It's just like a very refreshing way to thrift. Okay, so the second romper that I got was this one. I think this is so cute. I like almost didn't fit into this, but turns out I'm skinny enough of a legend. I feel like this will be perfect for Hawaii with the flower patterns. This is so comfy. It's kind of like a wrap skirt design. However, it is a romper. I love skirt type of things because it looks like you're wearing a skirt, but then it's like, psych! I actually get to open my legs. And this is from the brand Kimchi Blue, which is one of the brands sold at Urban Outfitters. And Urban Outfitters is low-key like really expensive. So the estimated retail price for this is $60. I got it for $24, almost $40 off. So I'm really excited to start wearing this. Okay, next I got this denim dress. This is from H&M. I like this because it's kind of stretchy and not real denim, so it really fits to my body. I think I saw this type of dress at H&M recently, but it's not the elastic kind, so it didn't really look good on me. And I found this on Thredup, and it was the stretchy kind, so I was like, let me see if this looks better. And I think it does look a lot better on me, and I'm really excited to start wearing this. I feel like it would also be really cute to layer a white t-shirt underneath, especially if you're going back to school. This would be a really cute outfit idea. And bonus, it has pockets. I hate when dresses don't have pockets. Like, where am I supposed to put my dignity? No. The estimated retail price is $24, and on thredUP it was $9. Oh my gosh, wait, I can put like a yellow t-shirt underneath. That would be really cute for the fall. I'm just already planning out all the outfits in my head. Ha, I'm excited. The next thing that I got was this pair of pants. This is like an army green. It has these ties at the bottom so it cinches at the ankle. I really like it because it's like that puff style that's really in right now, kind of like Insta baddie vibes. It's very like Kim Possible vibes, which I love right now. I feel like this is totally the style of 2000s fashion coming back, which I really appreciate because this is totally the type of thing that I would have thrifted when I was a child. Like, I've been thrifting since I was like 10, and back then it was out of necessity because my family was poor and that's like all that we could afford. And I remember when I was a kid that was like really embarrassing and I could never tell people that I thrifted something. So for me, I'm glad that thrifting is trendy now just so that everyone can embrace it and it's not like something to be ashamed of. Anyway, that was just like my whole life story. Yeah, so I really like these pants. It has giant pockets. I think the theme of this video is just like appreciation for pockets. But this is originally from Urban Outfitters. We all know Urban Outfitters is very expensive, especially their pants. I've bought pants from them before, but like only when they're on sale because I'm not down to pay like $80 for a pair of pants that I can literally find at the thrift store. Okay, so on thredUP it says that the estimated retail price is $60. I honestly think that it's way higher than that, judging from what I've seen at Urban Outfitters. And I got this on thredUP for $15.99. That is 73% off. I'm gonna cry. Kim Possible is quaking, Urban Outfitters is quaking, pollution is quaking, global warming is quaking, I'm quaking. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next up I got this smocked tube top. This is a blue gingham pattern and we all know I love me some gingham. I have gingham pants, I have a gingham jacket. Do I have a gingham shirt? I don't have a gingham. Oh, well now I have a gingham shirt. I also have a gingham dress. Gingham. I actually found this on thredUP because I filtered for gingham pattern shirts on the app. I really love the lettuce hem on this and it's just because it's like stretchy and okay, you guys don't care. This is originally from Lulu's. The estimated retail price is $30 and I got it on thredUP for $9.99. 1-866-247-4999. I don't know what the company is. I just know that little jingle. Oh my god, what's the company? If you guys know what company that is or if you've heard it before, please comment down below so I know that I'm not crazy. Okay, so I got another crop top. This one is from Toby and it is... Let me do that again because I was really annoying. So next up I got this crop top. It is really cute, groovy, radical. The colors remind me of like 80s vibes. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. With the woven pattern, it has a bunch of colors on it. This neckline is a square neckline, which I love. I'm pretty sure I filtered the shirts for square necklines and that's how I found this. It kind of goes off the shoulder a little bit and I just think it looks really flattering on my non-existent boob area. I can see myself wearing this with like see, evidently I'm like not very knowledgeable in the fashion realm because I could not think of a single thing to pair this with. But this is from Toby and the estimated retail price is $48 and I got this for $15.99. So that is a 66% discount. Oh shoot, that's not a good number. Okay, the next shirt that I got was this one. When I saw this on thredUP, I immediately had to get it because it has that puff sleeve type of deal going on, but it's casual enough that I can wear it on a day-to-day basis. This one has a cute tie in the front. It's this purple color. I love the open neckline. I feel like it draws attention away from the fact that I have nothing going on, but like shows off my clavicle. And this is from the brand Wild Fable, which is sold at Target. Low-key, Target is like kind of expensive. Is that just a me thing or is it actually? The estimated retail price is $30 and I got it for $10. Next I got this crushed velvet cami and this is, what color is this? Like beige? Tan? Nude? I don't own anything like this. I just think this looks really elegant and kind of outside of my style, but I wanted to try it out. I feel like it's basic enough that it can be paired paired with a lot of things, but the texture gives it a really interesting feel and adds a little accent to whatever outfit I'm putting this with. I'm excited to do this. To do this? To do what exactly? Am I okay? Evidently not. I'm excited to style this with different things. I think it'll be really fun. This is also from Kimchi Blue, which is that Urban Outfitters brand. The estimated retail price for this is $30 and I got it for $9.99. Okay, next up I got this skirt. It's a denim skirt and it's from BDG, which is one of the more popular brands at Urban Outfitters. It has these really cute buttons going down the middle and 2 pockets. We know how I feel about pockets. Unfortunately, I am a skinnier legend than I thought I was, and these are too big for me. However, I still want to show you guys this because thredUP makes returns really easy, which I super appreciate, because if you guys have ever thrifted at a physical thrift store, they obviously do not allow you to return stuff. Also, another thing that I found is that on thredUP, they tell you about the wear and tear of the specific item. I haven't bumped into any issues with the stuff that I received, but it'll tell you under the description if it has like loose threads or like a minor tearing, which I really appreciate, because sometimes when I go thrifting in stores, I don't realize that something has a hole in it, and then I come back home and I'm like, oh shoot, the new pair of jeans that I bought has a giant hole on the crotch. That actually did happen to me, and then I sat down and like the entire butt just like ripped. I was like, fun! A hole for my thigh to breathe through. Okay, the last thing that I got is totally fall vibes. This is a mustard yellow sweater with white and navy stripes across the middle. This totally reminds me of the Boston Bruins jersey. This would be perfect to like tuck into some jeans or a jean skirt. What else can I say about this? It's a freaking sweater. It's kind of got a almost turtleneck. What's it called? Mock neck? Halter. That is not it. Steve Jobs neckline. Yes, that is the official term. This is from the brand Lottie Moss, which is sold at PacSun. The estimated retail price on this is $48, and I got it on thredUP for $12.99. Alright guys, those are all the things that I got in my thrift haul. Thank you so much again to thredUP for sponsoring this video. And a reminder that if you do want to save 30% off your first order on thredUP, go down to the link in the description box and use the code JENDIY. That is pretty much it for this video. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday.